How to report an MLS violation in Paragon. If you notice a listing in Paragon that you believe violates MLS rules or regulations, you can report it directly through the system. Here's a step-by-step guide to make the process simple and efficient. Use the search function by MLS number, address, or agent to find the listing you wish to report. Once on the listing detail page, look for the Correction button in the light blue toolbar. Click the Correction button to open the violation reporting window. Provide a clear and concise explanation of what's wrong and why you believe it's a violation. Click Send to send the report directly to the Compliance Department of the local association of realtors the listing agent is a member of. All reports are confidential, and your identity will not be disclosed to the listing agent. Thanks for watching.